Hi class, I'm going to make a video, try to answer the questions from a student, okay? So let's begin. Okay, let's say we have 4 octets. I'm not going to write out the number, like 192.168.1 dot whatever. So this is the 4th octet here. So I'm not going to spell it out. But the student want to increase the number of hosts beyond the 4th octet because within the 4th octet, the maximum number that you can manipulate, try to subdivide into smaller network within the 260 hosts is all these bits being turned on. When it all turn on is 56 hosts, so we need to supernet. When we supernet, meaning the borrowing bit is not going this way from left to right, but instead you are going to borrow from the right to left, meaning you are trying to supernet. By supernet, I need to expand the bits in C, meaning in the 3rd octet. So within the 3rd octet, when we borrow 1 bit, starting from here, 1 bit only, so the possibility of this 1 bit is a 0 value and a 1 value, which in our notation of turning on and off. So 0 is off. When you have off on the 0, you create yourself 256 hosts. When you turn it to on, have a 1 bit, you have another 256 hosts. So meaning when you borrow 1 bit, you have a total of 512 hosts, okay? But you trying to turn on 2 bits, then your value will be borrow 2 bits, okay? Another combination of 0 and 1. So we can manipulate this 4 combination into 4 different groups of 256 hosts. So with the opening of 2 more bits, we have some more combination down below, which is 0 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to 0, and 1 to 1, which I lay out here. So this colorful expansion from 0 to 255 actually creating 256 hosts because it's starting with 0 and then ending 255. And when I try to manipulate with this, I am creating a 0 sheet, which is like this one, another sheet, okay? So this example actually, when we try to supernet 2 bits to the networking area, so we have actually created a net, which is 10 host bits. So our host portion is actually 8 bit, 9, and 10. So we have a total of 10 bits. This is what we call SuperNetting. When we created on the 3rd octet, 0 combination, we created a sheet of 256. When we created 0, 1, it gives us another 256 hosts. When we try to do 1 and 0, we created the 3rd sheet of 256 hosts. And when we try to use 1, 1, created a 4th sheet, we have 256 hosts. So when we try to add all these together, So when we add all these together, all the 4 groups of 256 or 4 sheets separately, actually you created a total of 1024. The first one is a network number you cannot use. The last one is the broadcast. So you minus 2 hosts. So you still have 1022 usable hosts after you created SuperNet 2 bits in the third octet. This I concluded the explanation of the 1000 hosts, how you created it. All right, and think of it yourself how to represent this. All right, so this is I stop here.